Welcome to Chrissy's Kitchen, where I will be teaching you how to make quick and easy recipes, healthy recipes, and some of my own special recipes. Today we are going to learn how to make pizza quesadillas. So I had to get my GoPro on my head, and now I'm in Chrissy's Kitchen, where we will start to prepare our pizza quesadillas. The first step that you need to make is to turn on the oven, of course. And I've got my pizza stone in here that I use to reheat pizza on, make anything crispy. It's great. You have to buy one of these. If you don't have one of these, you can just use a regular pizza pan. So you will be preheating your oven to 350. And that'll take 15-20 minutes. While you're getting that ready, turn your stove on to medium high, or no, medium high. And I'll be using my wonderful copper skillet to brown the Italian sausage. Because what you'll be needing to make this is, I mean, you can put your own ingredients in there because it, however you like pizza. But what I'm going to be doing, what I'm going to be using today is the flour tortillas. Of course, you want to get the large burrito size ones. I use the 8 count because I'm only making them for me and my man, just 2 people. And so I'll be using Italian sausage, black olives, green olives. I got the Italian style blend cheese, but you can use mozzarella too, or whatever cheese you'd like. Smoked sun-dried tomatoes, julienne cut, pizza sauce. I like this kind. You can use any kind of pizza sauce though. Green peppers, red peppers, and onion. Okay, so now that we have all our ingredients laid out here, we're going to start by browning the Italian sausage. I use Parnell's Old Folks Italian sausage. You don't need any oil because it produces its own oil, and plus a copper skillet does not need any oil, even if it doesn't. That's what's so great about the copper skillet. So anyways, we've got this about as good as it's gonna get. We could chop on it forever and ever and ever. But we got it down pretty nicely here, and we're just going to set it aside. And now we'll move on to our green peppers and red peppers. I'll get those seeds out of there, like to wash everything clean before I get started. The other half of these I used in an Italian pasta that I made the other day for a party, and I will be showing you how to make that someday too, I'm sure. Because it's one of my specialties as well. A good summer recipe. So when you're chopping vegetables, you want to use, first of all, you want to use the right knife. You want to use a chef's knife. Knives are made different ways for reasons. They're made for different purposes. So I'm just gonna, with these, I'm not gonna get real instructive with it. I'm just gonna chop it up. So I have my peppers done. The last thing I want to do is onions, because onions, people, onions are a whole nother story. For some reason they make you cry when you chop them, who knows why. But I have learned some techniques to keep you from crying the whole time you chop your onion. So, like I said, I probably am not going to use that many onions on my quesadilla tonight. Okay, so I'll get that all cut up. Get us out another skillet to just soften those up a little bit so that they're not crunchy. So we'll put that on medium high and put some extra virgin olive oil in the pan. And then we'll just throw those in there for a couple minutes to get them softened up a little bit. Okay, so the oil is heated up and ready to get the peppers and onions softened up. We're just going to get those softened up so they're not super crunchy inside the quesadilla. And while that's working itself out, we will get the stone back out. Put it on top of the stove, and you don't have to worry about it cooling down because it's going to stay hot for a long time. Got these nifty little handles on there, so it works well. Always use pot holders. Okay, so what we're going to do with these tortillas is we're just going to spray some. I use extra virgin olive oil cooking spray, but we're just going to spray some on the outer part and lay it down there on the cooking stone. And then we're going to start with our pizza sauce. Take a spoon and just rub that on there. So we don't want to like cook these to death because we want to preserve some of the flavor. Just get where your onions start to look a little clear. Smells wonderful. Wish you could smell it in the video. Now I'm just going to take and start adding everything to the quesadilla. There's sausage. And you want to spread them around so they're all in one spot, of course. Green olive. We love green olives. Use them in a lot of different things. They're so scrumptious. And black olives. And we'll do a few of these. Sun-dried tomatoes. Sprinkle. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then you can take your hand and flatten it down. I'm going to put a little bit more sauce on top. Just some dollops. Little drops here and there. And then we sprinkle the desired amount of cheese on top. If you want to keep it even more healthy, you can go a little less on the cheese, or you can buy low-fat cheese. And then we put the top on and spray it with the cooking spray. Get it covered pretty well. I'm gonna pop it back into the oven. Always use your oven mitts so you don't burn yourself. I'm gonna put that on the lower level and then move it up to the upper level when we go to broil the top one to get it brown. We're just going to turn this up to broil and watch it real close. Okay, perfect. be sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, see ya.